Greetings, this is Edo Jumbo. In this review, I'm going to show you this hair clippers, which I got from Temu. So as you can see, I've been using this for 1 whole year. It's working fantastic. I use it to not just to shave my head, but also to shave the beard. And just to show you that it does work, you see, if you can see that properly, it uses a USB to mini USB to charge, and there's a button right there to turn it on. So I'm going to turn it right now. You should be able to hear the audio. I'm going to just press it. So you hear that. You see when I press it on, the green button comes on. Works extremely well. One of my concerns was, if you see right in there, the wrong way, there we go. Right in there, you can see when I first used this last year, I would force it and hair would actually crawl inside here, but I got better at it. So what I do is don't force it. It works pretty fine. It shaves the head and the entire beard. Obviously, I have less hair now because I recently just shaved about less than a month ago. But yeah, it does perfect for the beards. I bought this for $3.19 last year. So as you can see, the price went up a little bit, but it's been fantastic. I don't think it's going to last as much as the other clippers I have, which I've had for 20 years. But if this lasts even 10 years or 5 years, it'll be fantastic. I'll definitely purchase again. So I do have some photos to show you guys. So I'm going to take myself out of here so I can show you here. There we go. So I took it right on my, it's pretty smooth. It comes with this USB cable which I plugged into the computer. Obviously, if you have a brick or for your phone or something, you can charge that as well. It's very let me see what it says here. It doesn't actually put the wattage or anything here. It came with a manual or the model. The model is HW-2001L. Just the product name is Hair Clippers. It's by Shenzhen Mesu Trading Co. Limited, and the manufacturer is Nanjing County Electronic. Obviously, it's in Nanjing, in a province in China. Fantastic product. Let me just quickly go through all this again. As you can see it, I got the bronze. I got the bronze one. This one in bronze. There we go. So more pictures, as you can see. It comes with all these attachments. I said I usually just go bald. I shave everything off. So I got the black USB one. It came with this, which were very handy in the beginning because I said I was getting it, hair was getting stuck there because I was forcing it. What I do use this one here, but very rarely now. I said I have a vacuum cleaner, I have a shop vac, so I just, once I'm done, I just vacuum it in, and that's it. You don't have to oil it or anything. Very, very nice. And I said I used this a month ago, and you see that it still held the charge. I'm going to shave tonight because I have Thanksgiving tomorrow. And here we go. You see when it's charging up on my workstation. Just plug it into there and it works perfectly fine. It takes, I can't remember how long it takes, but it's pretty fast as well, because obviously it has a small battery, but it works surprisingly well. And as you can see here, more information. It's T-shaped cutter head. The blades are washable. I haven't washed them because I just wipe them. I'm perfectly fine. I have like, if you want to use like rubbing alcohol or something, that's perfectly fine. For blade cleaning, yeah, I definitely do that. And of course, that's what's inside the box. I said like I just shaved my hair bald because that's it. So basically, what you get the clippers, get a cleaning brush, you get a USB cable, and you do get this the 1.5 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, and 4 millimeter. But I said I don't use it. Personally, I just go bald, and that's it. So I said I got it from Temu. This is actually a shop I got it from. They're not the sponsor of this video, and I see the pretty good reviews. I even watched some YouTube ones. Oh yeah, here it says the voltage is 36 volts. brand is CYCG. I don't know if I can trust that, but yeah, it's very, very pleased with this. And these are all the photos I've shown you before. You can see they have obviously different colors, and yeah, so there we go. So if yeah, I would definitely recommend this little guy. It's very nice. So I like this because, for example, now I can go outside and shave. I no longer have to shave inside. Just need a mirror or a phone, and you can just quickly shave. It's actually faster than any other clipper I've used. Now it's supposed to be for the hair, as it says, but I said I also use it for the beard as a beard trimmer, and I shave everything off. So with that said, I'm ending this video. Hope you like it, and this is just a quick one, and yeah, 2 thumbs up. Temu.